There is a feature in Gemini that helps you become a better learner. Sure, you can ask Gemini to explain a concept or give you an answer to a question. That's a valid use case. But there is actually a smarter way to learn using this tool. Gemini has a feature called LearnLM. This model is specifically trained to follow scientific principles when explaining concepts. It's not just a regular language model. It's designed to give higher quality educational answers. In fact, LearnLM has been preferred by educators, experts, and people working in classrooms. If you are trying to really understand something, not just get a surface level answer, LearnLM is the way to go. Let me show you an example. Here is a prompt I sent to Gemini in LearnLM mode. What is an imaginary number? This is the answer I got. Honestly, it's much easier to digest compared to the generic response from the regular Gemini model. Now look at the same question answered in the regular mode. It's fine, but kind of dense and harder to grasp. So, how do you access LearnLM in Gemini? It's super easy. First, go to Gemini either on desktop or using the mobile app. Then open the menu, tap Explore Gems, click Show More, then select Learning Coach. Once you click it, you will see that it's not just the regular Gemini model anymore, it's actually using LearnLM behind the scenes. So that's it guys. If this will help you, please don't forget to give it a like, and thanks for watching.